Hello there YouTube, TechSavagePro here, and as you can tell, I'm going to be showing you how to get free music without having Apple Music or Spotify or anything like that, completely free without a jailbreak or a computer. Now this is crazy because this app is almost identical to Bobby Music. If you know what that is, it's basically a jailbreak app that at one time was on the App Store. And then I was going to make a video on it, but the day that I went to make a video on it, I realized that it was no longer on the App Store. It got taken down like at 12 o'clock my time in the morning, and it was just absolutely devastating from my point. But it's back apparently, or very, very similar app that's almost identical. Like I said, it has all the features and plus, and I'll show you like what I mean whenever we get into it. But if you have never used Bobby Music, basically it was unlimited music. You could take like any song, look it up, and it would be on there. And a lot of music apps, you have to have like special license, and that's just, I don't know, limits to what you can and can't download, which is kind of a bummer. But with Bobby Music, there was no limits. You could download whatever you wanted, and it's exactly how this app is. It's absolutely insane. Now, because I don't want to get copyrighted, I'm not going to actually show you any like real songs, but I am going to look up an artist that I personally like, KAIO. Now, I personally think that his music's pretty good. Make sure that you go check him out on like Instagram. He has an Instagram. I think that it's like at KAIO. He makes some pretty good music. But like I said, you just gotta look up any song and then wait for it. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit so you can get like the whole picture. So as you can tell, there is like some pretty cool things that you can do with this app. Of course, you can even save it to your like offline library, and I believe you can save this to your iTunes library. Yeah, you can convert it. You can save the whole video to your videos. You can save the MP3 version of it. There's a bunch of different video and audio formats, as you can tell. It's absolutely insane. Not many apps, no video app or music app that I've ever used can be able to download the music part and the video part at the same time. Like, I've never had an app that can download the actual music video to your videos. That's just crazy. But what the big deal for me about Bobby Music is, another thing that a lot of music apps don't have is the video actually playing in the background offline, which you can do, and they don't have Genius or other lyric providers built in within the app. So that's really, really cool, and it's all offline if you want it to be. You don't have to have it offline, but that's a crazy important feature for a lot of people, and it's just insane that all of this is in one single app, and it's all free. No strings, no ties, no jailbreak, which is absolutely insane for this kind of content. But like I said, the lyrics are all on here. It's absolutely crazy. But hopefully you did like this video, and I do apologize in advance if at any time the app gets taken down and whenever you click the link it doesn't show up. I just hope that it doesn't get taken down anytime soon. So hopefully you did like this video, and if you did, make sure that you leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit those bell notifications, and as always, peace out. See you in the next one. Make sure you check out KAIO, and I'll be back. Have a good day.